All right, it's 4th of July and it's about noon right now, and I'm driving over to our famous spot we do our stuff at. So I just wanted to give you guys a little first-person perspective of my day. This is the neighborhood. So I'm really excited. It's only 12:15 right now, so we've got all day. It's not anywhere close to even nighttime. So I think I'm gonna park in this cul-de-sac right here. Let's see if there's even parking right now. Let's see. Damn, I'm gonna have to improvise here. All right, you guys, so I just got to the park right now, and it's only like 12:30, so it's relatively early, but I just wanted to give you guys a little taste of what our lighting spot looks like this year. So this is our table right here, and this is all we have on it right now. Just, you know, some charcoal and stuff for our barbecue. And we're debating if we should light our stuff like in the middle of this field or on these sidewalks. So oh, I thought someone lit a mortar for a second. So you'll find out tonight. American Pyro here, and I met a new friend today. He actually celebrates at the same park I do, and we're gonna combine our stuff together. So here's his stuff, and we have my stuff in my car, so it's gonna be a great holiday. So this is our competitor's stash right here.
Competitor, dude. We're a team.
Okay,
Partner.
team. And I don't know, he might actually be able to own us this year. Look at all this stuff. And you guys are still unloading, right?
This is almost it.
Almost it? Look at all these Excaliburs on the bottom, all these cakes from Brothers. Oh my god, I am so excited. Look at that. And we have more coming. Beautiful.
It doesn't stop, dude.
Oh, there's still more coming. Oh! There's still more. And I'm gonna do one more roundabout. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.